fabulous family, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I have a little special Dollar Tree haul. I have been trying to stay out of Dollar Tree, and I said, let me get in the car, go for a ride, because it's raining and muggy and hot. And I wanted to take a break, just from always doing, my garage series. Fall items that I found. So I thought this was really cute. It says Home Sweet Home. And I'm just gonna put it up real quick so you can see it. Very nice sign, of course, from the Dollar Tree. And they have these out this year. So I think I got two in like this cream color. They only had two at my store, so I got these two. And then I found them in like this burgundy color. Oh, I thought that was fabulous. And the burnt orange. Now I wish I could find some more of these. So I got 4 of these. So if you're looking for fall, like September, October items, run to your Dollar Tree because they are putting the stuff out now. Yes, in August. I got some pumpkins. Same pumpkins they do every year. This is new to me, especially where I am at. You guys may have seen these over the years, but I have never been able to find these. They have the berry picks, so I got them in yellow, and it's a 5-piece for only $1. That is not bad, so please try to, find these if you can. So I got them. And then I found it in like the plum color. And I'm loving the new packaging that Dollar Tree is starting to put their stuff out. Very nice. So I picked up these two. And these are the only 2 that I've seen in my area. And I'm going to go out over the weekend and check 2 other Dollar Trees. So if I find anything else before I upload this video, I'll just add it on. And then they had these. And it says you get 16 pieces. Thought that was nice. And I thought I got another pick. No, I didn't. Okay, so I only got that one. And they have the corn out this year. Look at that. And these are really nice and heavy. Let me put it up real close. Has like the fake beads on there. Very, very nice. And then I found 3 of the decorative mesh. I got it in these colors. 3 of these. So probably by now you could probably already know what I am going to be making. A fabulous fall wreath for my front door. And I got some zip ties. I didn't even need these. When I got back here from the store this afternoon, I had already had 2 packs in my office. So it's a backup. I'm always buying over than what I need, And this is what I am super excited to show you. Once again, they only had 1 pack of these lovely sunflowers. And these are picks on the back. These are going to go really nice this fall for beautiful tablescape, or I may save them for next summer. I got these, and then they had the miniature ones. So I don't know if you have been out to your Dollar Tree, have found any of these items, but they were just taking them out the box literally when I went in. I needed a new silicone sink strainer for my garbage disposal side of the sink. I really don't like those metal ones. So I got another one of these. And if y'all remember last summer, everybody was out trying to find these, and bam, they are back in. So if you did not get your marble utensils for cooking, they are back out, y'all. So I got it in the spoon. I got another spatula because I love these spatulas, especially when I'm doing my eggs. And I got the spatula. And that's what the handle looks like. These are really nice and elegant. It makes you think that this is real, like a real marble handle. So that is all my goodies. I know I haven't did a Dollar Tree in a while. I am really just trying to, if you have watched my garage series, just get a lot of stuff unpacked. And I have stuff that you can't even believe I bought double and triple, sometimes 4 times of the same item. So I'm just trying to go through and clean out stuff that I'm finding. And then perhaps, since the fall is getting ready to come, one more month, thank you Jesus, I am about so sick of this heat, and then I'll be able to come out in this garage and do a lovely Dollar Tree and my Walmart haul out my garage series. And hopefully I'll be able to get back into bringing you some more DIYs from the fabulous Dollar Tree. And you know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you in another Dollar Tree Tuesday video. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all. So, as you see, I have my attic door ladder. Door. As my granddaughter truly says, nah, I don't think so.